What's going on, Hoodie Nation? What's up, YouTube? So, what up? What's up, y'all? In today's case, we have two different sweaters. We have a $20 sweater from Amazon and a $200 sweater from John Elliott. So, I'll say right off the bat, I mean, I definitely like this box better. And for $200, I was expecting a little better packaging than just straight into this. But what's important is the hoodies. So let's start off with the Underdog, the $20 Amazon Basics hoodie. Don't forget to check out the blog, I'mSoHoodie.com, for even more detailed reviews and insight into the different products that we unbox on this YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and take a look right now first at this Amazon Basics hoodie. And I got both of them about the same color, which is this grayish color. So you can see here it's neatly packed. It looks good. The box helped. I like the box. I prefer a box. Just saying. And so let's get this thing open. Now, I got a size small. Both the same sizes, so let's see. First off, right here, you can see the hoodie. There you go. Okay. You can see the tags right here. Amazon Essentials. Feels soft. Feels nice. Now let me look on the inside. Usually you can tell by looking inside if it's going to pill or not. This looks like a pillar, in my opinion. And if you guys don't know what pilling means, then that's when like little bits of the fabric come off and like you pull them out of the laundry or after they're done drying or whatever, and there's just little bits all over it. It's to be expected. Okay, so like I said, this looks like it will pill, but again, there's going to be a more detailed comparison on the website, I'mSoHoodie.com. Check that out in a few weeks because I'm going to be wearing and testing this and the one from John Elliott over the next week, 2 weeks even, to see obviously which one's better or which one's worth paying for at their respective price point. So let's go ahead and try this Amazon Essentials hoodie on. Again, it feels soft, it feels good, and it looks good. So let's try this bad boy on. It feels soft, it's nice. Definitely warm, well fitted. So again, this is the Amazon Essentials hoodie. The pocket is nice. I mean, this is actually really, really nice. I love the way it fits. This would be good enough to run in, to leisure around in, or to, what do they call it now? Or for the leisure active look, you know, that's so in, that even I do all the time. And yeah, so far so good. Now when taking off this Amazon Essentials hoodie, like, okay, first off let me say, okay, this felt pretty comfortable. It felt really comfortable, and I wouldn't say it felt premium. It did not feel cheap, except for when I took it off. When I started taking it off, it was real staticky, and that's that inside again. Again, this is a $20 hoodie. It's actually $17.99, and I'll leave the link in the description below. And now we're going to check out this $200 hoodie. So let's get into it. I don't even think I need the knife for this one. Well, it looks pretty damn premium. It actually looks really nice. Really, really nice so far. See the two different colors. Let's see here. That's pretty similar, huh? This one comes with a nice tag right there. John Elliott. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up here. The John Elliott $200 hoodie. It looks really premium. Really nice. The color is very similar. And again, links to these products will be in the description below. And this you can get from their website, johnelliott.co. And you can see right away. Now it doesn't feel as soft right away. It definitely feels firmer. This one is like, the Amazon one just like, it's so soft. Falls apart almost soft, but in a good way. Now this one is firm, yet soft, but in a premium way. Definitely feels premium. Popping tags, they say. So, here we go. Popped the tag. There was no tag on the Amazon one, which I think is pretty cool too. Is part of how they can save us money. Let's try this bad boy on. Now the inside, I can already see, does not look like the type that pills. That probably will not pill. Not like this one. So, now putting this on, like just the feel of it right now, or maybe it's just psychological because I know how much I paid for this, but it feels extremely premium. Like I'm like treating it delicately. Type premium. Okay. Alright. Now, whew, that fit so far feels real nice. Alright, so first impressions, man, again, it feels really premium. It fits well, except for one thing is the shoulder line goes so much farther than where my shoulder ends. And I guess that's because it's supposed to be an oversized cropped hoodie. It feels great, fits well, and I bet you with a jacket over it, it's gonna look really nice. But you know, you gotta let me know in the comments below which one actually looks better. Like this is the $200 one right here. Okay. The John Elliott, and you guys, I'll do some editing and show the $20 Amazon one right here. Okay, now back to the $200 John Elliott. Which one is the better look for y'all for first impressions? Okay, again, check out I'mSoHoodie.com for the full report on this head-to-head hoodie battle here. And you can see after a couple weeks which one I think is the overall better value or worth at their price point. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Deuces.
Desert Eagle, yeah, I think it's catching up to me. Nobody's catching up to me. I'm like, can I get some company? I'm like, damn, I'm really undefeated. Yeah. I think it's catching up to me. Nobody's catching up to me.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
I think them niggas is scared of us. Flexing but only for cameras. Nothing these niggas could do to us. Who the fuck can they compare to us? Nothing these niggas could say to us. I let them stare if they stare at us.